Who would win in a fight? 100 Harrys or a giant gorilla?
One, where is it? How big is a gorilla? Oh, we do it on a football pitch, we do it on a UFC cage.
UFC cage?
Yeah, we could go on pages and ask, but I think myself personally.
Okay, what about 100 Harrys or
10 gorillas.
10 normal sized gorillas?
Well, 10 gorillas, that's, the odds have just went down because that's like 10 Harrys to 1 gorilla. That's not the case at all.
Yeah, but do you think that 10 Harrys could overcome 1 gorilla?
No.
I mean,
I'd say 100 is close.
Clear.
100
I think 100 is clear.
100 to 1 normal sized
50,
gorilla.
I think it's taking at least 80 of us.
Say you're on 1 gorilla. 10.
Lad, get your phone out and type in
Yeah,
angry
it's-
silverback gorilla.
Yeah, what? It doesn't have to be angry, but it's still.
No, I'll be angry if
What
I'm
about-
punching it in the face.
Yeah,
Couple dead.
yeah. No, I'm thinking it takes 20. I think.
No,
I think
no,
20
no,
Harrys.
no,
if they
no,
were just
no.
at once, yeah.
No.
If you got it from the back.
We
No,
done
think about it.
we done the maths last time, right? A single gorilla is capable of pushing over 1,000 kilograms with one arm.
Yeah, so that's
That's-
what 3 of you.
that's-
Right, that was getting silly. Next question.